Accessing the Cluster Web UI. FusionInsight Manager is a platform that allows you to centrally manage MRS clusters and perform O&M operations on the clusters rapidly and with ease. Access an MRS cluster's FusionInsight Manager page and the web UI of one of its open source components using an EIP or ECS. In this video, an EIP is used for access. Buying an EIP for an MRS cluster. You can also purchase and bind an EIP to a cluster. When you purchase the cluster for the first time, log in to the Management Console and choose Elastic IP. Click Buy EIP in the upper right corner. Set related parameters based on site requirements. Accessing the cluster's FusionInsight Manager page. After the EIP is created, choose MapReduce service on the Management Console. Click the created MRS cluster. The cluster dashboard page is displayed, and click Access Manager. Select the EIP purchased in buying an EIP. Select the confirmation information and click OK. Enter the user admin and its password to log into FusionInsight Manager. Accessing the web UI of an open source component. This section uses the Yarn web UI as an example. The admin user does not have the highest permission to access Yarn. Therefore, you need to create a Yarn service user before accessing the Yarn web UI. Set user group to Hadoop, primary group to Hadoop, and role to system_administrator. On the Yarn overview page, click the link next to Resource Manager Web UI. The Web UI page of Yarn is displayed. Click Logout in the upper right corner to switch to the Yarn service user. You need to change the user password upon the first login. After the password is changed, you need to log in again. After logging into the Yarn web UI, you can view the running status and details of Yarn tasks on the Applications page.